Introducing nolemon, the comprehensive solution for car repair shop management. With nolemon, car repair shops gain a powerful tool to streamline processes, manage operations, and elevate customer satisfaction. The idea behind nolemon is to build an all-in-one repair shop management SaaS that excels in delivering a best-in-class customer experience. Powered by AI and utilizing open APIs, the cloud-based platform is designed to be intuitive, customer-centric, and user-friendly. Co-founded by Marcos, Luis, and Felipe, the nolemon team brings a wealth of expertise and experience to the table. Marcos has a background in management consulting, operations, and e-commerce. Luis has a strong automotive background and experience in business operations, and Felipe brings extensive experience as a software engineer.
I'm very excited to introduce nolemon to all of you. We're set out to change the way repair shops manage their businesses and help them streamline their operations, maximize their productivity, boost sales, and drive their customer satisfaction. It's a rule of life that taking a car to the shop is highly inconvenient. There are 4 key reasons that explain why. Shops can be really shady places. From the cost of labor to grasping the true magnitude of an issue, it's easy to feel like you're being ripped off. Many shops use complicated language and provide very little information on time expectations, status of our reparations, or availability and cost of parts. Added to the fact that everything is done through really manual processes and require a lot of over-the-phone communications, it makes a compelling picture of why it's highly inconvenient. Added on top the fact that customers are more and more used to having digital experiences elsewhere, like when they reserve at a restaurant, they get a medical appointment, or they purchase goods, they just don't understand why repair shops cannot be that way. But shops are not necessarily to blame for this. Their potential to meet those customer expectations are limited by current tools available in the market and their internal processes. Existing tools are archaic, they're siloed, they're inflexible, and with a poor UX, limiting their usage and the benefits shops can get from them. According to a study conducted by Accenture in 2021, 47% of customers expected a good digital experience when taking the car to the shop, and 71% of customers declared they would increase their after-sales budget if the experience improved. That is why we are building an all-in-one shop software that empowers shops of all shapes and sizes to digitalize their businesses, optimize their operations, and excel at customer experience. Bringing together a powerful yet accessible CRM with an industry-specific ERP system that is both open, cloud-based, friendly, modular, and fully compliant. There are a number of trends that are both impacting now and will continue disrupting the after-sales business in the upcoming years. Shops must adjust to changing market conditions driven by the industry digitalization, vehicle electrification, and growing channel competition to continue winning in an increasingly competitive market. And that is precisely where we see that adopting these new technologies and improving customer experience will be the 2 key levers that will help shop differentiate and gain competitive advantage. The after-sales industry is incredibly large, both worldwide and within Europe. Generating over 250 billion euros in Europe, in roughly 360,000 repair shops, the industry is currently spending close to 4.4 billion euros per year in software and licenses. That is over 15 billion euros worldwide and expected to grow in the upcoming years. We expect to scale our operations and reach 20% of the market share in number of shops, generating over 150 billion euros in revenue with nolemon. Our pricing through a tiered subscription model to serve the different size of businesses that make up the industry and their needs, from a basic plan with the most basic functionalities, including online scheduling, workflow management, and digital signature, to enterprise solutions that require more complex features to manage multiple locations. It's within our product vision to create a platform that can be easily adjusted to different organizational needs and built with bespoke plans. But it's only being by inside the shops with mechanics and service managers that we're able to create and test our solution. That is why we have partnered with Grupo Palacio, a large multi-brand dealership with significant industry importance, and Alsan Motor, a smaller shop with a different and simpler operation that allows us to gather insights and quickly build a product that adjusts to their needs. nolemon is the modern SaaS for repair shops, combining powerful productivity management and customer experience tools with a sleek, simple, and intuitive user experience. nolemon will transform the way vehicle repair shops manage their workflows and their customers. We use data science and artificial intelligence to identify highest value customers, how to keep them and maximize their value while improving workflow management and repair shop efficiency in the back of the store. We do this by identifying potential risk, such as delay of repairs, and propose upselling opportunities for every type of customer. We've got the right team to make this happen. Our team, with previous funding and industry experience, is composed of Marcos Ramírez, former co-founder and COO of Factory 14, and Felipe Ares, our CTO, with over 12 years of engineering experience and former co-founder of LegalBot, and myself with 9 years of automotive experience. We also have a stellar team of advisors with more of 60 years of combined experience working with after-sales businesses at different levels and at various roles that are already supporting us in opening doors to the industry. This is just the starting point to build a fantastic team that will be disrupting the way repair shops are managed. Thank you, and please feel free to reach out should you have any questions.